In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip basic shapes in Canva. Flipping shapes is a simple but powerful way to improve your designs, whether you're working on social media graphics, presentations, or printable materials. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you know exactly where to click, and I'll share a few tips along the way to make the process feel natural and easy. First, open Canva, and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to work with shapes. Once your design canvas is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. Click on the one labeled Elements. This is where Canva stores shapes, graphics, lines, and a lot more. Inside the Elements panel, scroll until you find the section called Shapes. You'll notice a variety of basic options, like squares, circles, triangles, and other simple forms. Click on the shape you want to use, and it will automatically appear in the middle of your design canvas. Now, select the shape by clicking on it. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box and some handles around it. Above your canvas, a toolbar will appear. This is where the flip controls live. Look for the option labeled Flip. When you click on it, Canva will show you two main choices: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Flip Horizontal will mirror your shape from left to right, like turning it around on a vertical axis. This is useful if you're working with arrows or asymmetrical shapes and you want them to point or face the other direction. Flip Vertical, on the other hand, flips the shape from top to bottom, as if you're turning it upside down along a horizontal axis. Click the flip option you need, and you'll see the shape instantly adjust on your canvas. You can still resize, rotate, and change the color of the shape after flipping, so feel free to fine-tune the look until it fits your design. If you decide you don't like the flip, you can always use the Undo button at the top of the screen, or simply flip the shape again to return it to its original orientation. That's all there is to it. By using the Flip tool in Canva's toolbar, you can quickly mirror any basic shape and create more balanced, professional-looking layouts in just a few clicks.